Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you are with your boy here, Sammyloaded Concept. And as you know, what I do, as I always do, ads network review, make money online tips, online tutorials, how to's, and basically tech and marketing, business marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and the rest, CPA marketing. So I'm going into today's video. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can hide your WordPress admin URL and secure your website from hackers, because this problem has actually been known to cause a lot of hacks, especially in WordPress websites. What we're going to be dealing with is actually WordPress websites. So like for example, your WordPress admin URL is always in slash wp dash admin or wp-login.php, and hackers are very known to use this URL to get access to people's websites by using, you can just guess username and the rest and get access into your website. But you can actually hide your WP admin URL that they won't even know you are even using WordPress, because most people, if they want to know if you are using WordPress, they will just go to your website and you type slash wp dash admin, and lo, it will take them straight to the login page of your administrator login into your WordPress backend, which is very, 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 very not good. It's very, very wrong actually. So today I'll be teaching you on how to do that. For example, this is what I mean. Let me open a new tab, a new window. Sorry. For example, I'm typing in this now. This is slash wp admin, as you can see right here. I'm actually logged into my admin dashboard. But this slash w, let me use incognito tab so you can see what I'm saying. Let me use one of my websites. Mostly what they do is go to your website and type /wp admin or /login.php. Okay, good. It has this is the WordPress default WordPress administrator login to your backend. Can you see /wp-login.php or /wp-admin? Once they type this, they will know you are using WordPress. But in order to hide this particular admin URL, like using another URL, like let me say testing.php to log into or backend.php or anything. So today I'm going to be taking a ride on that. So what you have to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to plugins, add new, and this is the plugin that we're going to be using. I'm going to drop the URL of this plugin in the video description video. We're going to be using WP Hide and Security Enhancer. So what you want to do right now is click on the install now button and wait for it to install. Then you activate and you can now get started with this. Okay, it's installed. Now let's activate the plugin. I have to do this again from the beginning for people, so you can go to this. Make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share to your friend. So now the plugin is actually installed successfully, and if you come right here, you're going to see WP hide, as you can see. So all you want to do right here is click on it, scroll down. Sorry, sorry. Okay, hide or rewrite URL. This is where you are going to. That's where we are going to. Very good. So what you want to do right here now is come to WP. Okay, it's actually in WP content. Yeah. So hold on. Okay, I made a mistake. Sorry. Under this WPR, you are coming to hide and admin is where you are going to. Okay, then you scroll down, you see these two places. You see WP login.php and admin URL. So what I want to do right now is we are going to change this WP login.php so that it won't be able to log in. So let us use test sam.php. Make sure you don't forget this URL, or because if you forget, I don't think there's a way you actually logging into your WP admin. So on under this block defaults blah blah, click on show and block default WP the wp login.php file from being accessible. Click on yes and click on save. Wait for it to load. Okay, good. That is done successfully. Now you want to come to the admin URL. We named this test sam. I would just advise you to name it the same thing. So let me use it also. This one you are not putting .php in this one, just the admin URL. So test sam is what we're going to be using. Come right down here, block default admin URL, click on this show and click on yes and click on save. Very good. As you can see right here, it has actually changed, because if you look at my URL right here, you see samloaded.com, there's sam/admin. So regardless, let me log out of my WP admin account, then try to log in via wp-admin.php. So you can see, okay, this is my website. Now let me go to slash wp/admin. It take me to a 404 error page, as you can see, meaning people or whoever types this, like, wants to get into your admin and they type into this, they would it will give them a 404 error page. So now let us use wp login.php also. It also give you a 404 error page. But now let us use it/test sam. Click on enter to take me directly to my back end login page. So that's basically how you can hide your WP admin URL and secure your website from hackers, and also in order to not allow people know you are using WordPress. You can also do this. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to come to right back to my YouTube channel, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.